got jumpers, God help us.
Is he
and all bars up.
ready to run?
Yep.
So happy with that.
Where is he?
And Mama's alive.
Oh, yeah.
Michelle does not have to bury me on her property now.
What are you, a horse? You just get
So I
buried
said
where
to
you,
Michelle,
where you drop?
if something happens to me, you might have to bury me out here. Oh, there goes
Oh, look, he's got
Good boy. We've been working on his dog walks out. He looks good.
It's the cool weather.
Go look. Yay! His tail's very happy. Good boy. Thanks.